finally made it into Plantation Key Marina. Last week we made our maiden voyage and finally moved aboard.
Well, we had our first morning on the new boat.
Yeah.
How was it?
It was very nice. I fell asleep so quickly that those fire alarm things, they went red every 30 seconds. When Dad left, it went red. I tried to see another red, but
He was out.
I fell asleep.
So we had one air conditioner working. Carter's air conditioner was working. The other one, pump should be here today. So once we...
They all had to be in my rooms. Well, Chase moved into my room since he got hot.
Yeah, Chase was too hot, having trouble falling asleep. So I moved him into Carter's lower bunk.
And we have 4 fans, and I don't even get one of those fans pointing in my room since I get the
You've got the ice cold air.
And I also got a mini fan that just blows the air in my room.
But it was a good night. Nothing too crazy. Just, you know, didn't sleep great just because your mind's racing. But
for me, it was weird to just wake up with someone on my bottom. Like, I felt down and I was like, hey, cat. Wait, what? That's not a cat hair.
So, anyway, I think let's go outside and see what Julian's doing. How was your first night in the bed? How about you, Chase?
Great. I just don't like that I have it's just my head.
Oh, did you bump your head?
No, I bumped my leg. Oh. Tomorrow night, my room will have AC. I moved to Carter's room to sleep for it a bit because my room didn't have good ACs. And then, like, maybe, like, 4 in the morning, I moved back to my room, I think.
Yeah.
Well,
6:30, close.
Okay, well, still a bit early.
Yeah. So that's our morning, first morning. Well, I think we're finally almost got everything organized. So we're taking a load of extra stuff that came with the boat that we don't need, that doesn't fit our family, to a place called Mother Ocean. And they're kind of like a, what do you call them?
Like a consignment?
Consignment store, thank you. So you can buy used stuff and sell used stuff. So hopefully I can just trade some of this stuff for some stuff that we do need.
We took a break from all the unpacking and we went to Robbie's Marina to feed the tarpon.
Okay, let's see what those are stacked. Those have teeth.
Oh, no, you're fine. Y'all watch. Lay on your belly. Woo, shade. You gotta let up and jump. I think you gotta go a little lower. The tarpon were actually overrun that day by the jacks, so we fed the jacks.
Chase, back up. Chase, back up, buddy. Chase, back up, buddy. Down lower, Chase. They can't see it up there. Down lower.
The boys got mac and cheese for lunch, and apples and carrots. And me and Chris are having chicken salad sandwiches with guacamole and onions.
That's right. And Carter's up there still working because his school is in the middle of lunch. And you had a cavity filled a few hours ago, didn't you?
And my cheek is still not.
So we have got our washing machine powered up. We just did all our inspection on the plumbing and the drain. It looks good. So we are going to throw a load in and see what happens. Right, Mama?
Yeah, we'll try.
You a little bit nervous?
I am. I'm afraid it's going to leak.
I hope
I'm afraid we're going to get water everywhere.
I just hope it works out.
Yeah, I don't want it to flood.
turn it off.
So go ahead and put those wires on
Shove
my
that
bed.
closed, Carter.
Chase, put those wires on my bed.
Keep going.
Thank you. I wondered where my charger went. Okay, now hold on. We have regular-ish, not delicates. Maybe do normal.
So, what does this refer to?
I don't know. It says
Ooh,
it's filling with water.
It's gonna float the boat.
Laundry is a whole family event. Check for leaks. Check for leaks.
Sorry, buddy.
You got it.
Checking for leaks.
Here, you want me to hold your light?
Open that up for me,
No
Carter.
leaks in here.
It's spinning. There's like no water in there.
It loads as it spins.
Yeah, it spins based on the water.
You want to look under the bathroom sink too?
Was
We're doing laundry!
On a boat.
Uh-oh, it fell in the water. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Actually, it's probably nice. Has a little rinse out. Not everything on a boat is glamorous. We struggled flushing out our poop tank for the first time. We ended up needing to add a chemical to break down all the sludge that was in the bottom of the tanks because it had sat for 4 years without being pumped out. Okay, so see it filled up. Will you go outside and see when it turns on? No, it doesn't go to the top, it goes on the side. Say, Dad, is it on? So does it go in first or out first? Oh.
I can't hear what you say. Can you go over there?
You can hear it. It's not getting suction. It's just not getting suction. It's about where it stopped. I don't know. I think it's a little better. You want to just let it go over time and let it de-sludge itself? I'd flush it out with water again.
It's still going. See how it's going down?
I think that helped. Yeah, but is it going to light it up? It looks. So what do you think it was? Just needed a quick little water flush or what? Do you think it was that? Wait, there's two? No, that's big.
See, there's one here, one there.
I thought it was like 20, 30 gallons.
Tanks.
Okay, well that's a lot more than I expected. What has been surprisingly the most fun thing about living on a boat?
It's actually kind of hard. I'd have to say being able to take our big boat out on a dinghy and like just go anywhere we want to. Like sandbar and anything, and then we can jump off the roof. That was my fun. That's the best thing about living on.
Chase, what are you most scared of? Now that you live on a boat, what scares you?
Probably like when I'm sleeping, the boat starts to sink or something like that. When I'm sleeping.
So Caleb, how was your first full day in the boat?
It was pretty not so good.
Why?
I wasn't used to the waves. I wasn't. Tiger was scared when I slept with him, and everything I did to him to love on him just got scared and frightened.
Do you think you're gonna like living on a boat?
Yep.
Why? What are you gonna like?
Because we get free fish, which unfortunately I'm allergic to.
How did we find out you are allergic to fish?
The hard way.
What was the hard way? What happened to you when you ate fish?
I ate it and I got all puffy. I think it's called hives.
Yep, you got puffy and hives. And are you okay though?
Yep. Benadryl. 2 minutes.